Welcome back to Excel Shorts, and I'm sorry I cannot bring this in a short video, so we are trying to do one small trick in 3 different dimensions, or I'm using one data set breaking up into multiple columns using 3 different tricks, and 2 of them are all version dimension. The first one will be the Office 365 dimension. If I want to bring in all this single column data into a multiple columns here, how do I do that? So I'm going to use a wrap row function here. I'm going to just say equals a wrap row function. If you're using Office 365, you will get this. I'm selecting all the vector. I'm going to give a comma. Then I want to wrap the data in 2 different columns, and then when I give a population, and that's going to automatically add. And this function is the best function in the 3 of the tricks that I'm going to give you right now, because this is a dynamic array functionality. If I wanted to do the same logic again with a new data set, so how do I do it? So I'm going to use a go to special option to achieve this. So I'm going to just delete this output. I'm going to select the whole data set here. I'm going to press F5, which will take you to go to special. Then I'm going to say special option. First of all, I'm going to bring the data set into the constant, and then I'm going to just uncheck all our data set other than text here, and I'm doing OK. That's going to choose all my text here. I'm going to copy that and paste it in the product. I'm going to repeat the same process again, select the whole data set again, F5. This time around, I'm going to bring the constant on a number front here. When I give an OK, that's going to select that. I'm going to give a copy and then paste that here. This is our trick number 2. The trick number 3 is old school methodology where we tend to do this regularly. So I'm going to fill in the numbers here 1, 2, and then 1 and 2, and so on and so forth. Here you can use a filter if you wanted to, but without using a filter is also work for you. Again, I gave a filter and sort here, but I wish to put them in a sorted form function from smallest to largest. And then I can copy that and then paste it here, and then I can copy that and paste it here. Again, we don't want to use a filter there. You can just sort the data and get it done. But again, if you add a filter, that will make your life a little more easier. Again, without using a filter also, I can get all these 3 dimensions done. This is how I'll bring in a data set which was earlier in singular column. I converted that into multi-column by using 3 simple logics: wrap rows in Office 365, go to special constant, text and number dimension breakup in all version, and you can use the sort alone here. You don't need a filter here, but I added a filter and sort. You can add a filter also if you wanted to. This is Vinod signing out from Excel Shorts, video number 22, but again, it is not a short video.